Welcome back to Renko Trading Channel, your go-to resource for trading tips and strategies. In today's video, we're going to explore how to use moving averages with Renko charts to identify trends and potential entry and exit points. Whether you're new to Renko charts or looking to enhance your trading strategy, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. My name is Carl. You are watching Renko Trading Channel. First, let's quickly recap what moving averages are. A moving average is a widely used technical indicator that smooths out price data to help you identify the direction of the trend. The two most common types are the simple moving average SMA and the exponential moving average EMA. Here, you can see the SMA and EMA on a standard price chart. The SMA gives equal weight to all price data points, while the EMA gives more weight to recent data, making it more responsive to price changes. Now, let's see how we can apply these moving averages to Renko charts. Adding moving averages to Renko charts can help you identify the trend direction and potential entry and exit points with greater clarity. To add a moving average to your Renko chart, follow these steps. Open your trading platform and navigate to the Renko chart of your chosen asset. Select the indicator menu and choose the type of moving average you want to add. We will be applying a 20-day double exponential moving average, DEMA, to the Apple chart. Adjust the period to 20 days to smooth out short-term fluctuations and capture the underlying trend. The double EMA reduces lag more effectively than a simple moving average, providing clearer signals for potential buy and sell opportunities. Once configured, apply the indicator to the chart to observe its interaction with Apple's price movements. Once the moving averages are added to your Renko chart, they can help you identify the overall trend direction. When the price is above the moving average, it indicates an uptrend. Conversely, when the price is below the moving average, it indicates a downtrend. In this example, the price remains above the moving average, confirming an uptrend. This can be a signal to look for buying opportunities. Moving averages can also help you pinpoint entry and exit points. For entry points, consider buying when the Renko bricks close above the moving average in an uptrend. For exit points, consider selling when the bricks close below the moving average in a downtrend. Here, the Renko bricks cross above the moving average, signaling a potential buying opportunity. Conversely, when the bricks cross below the moving average, it could be a signal to sell or exit your position. To reduce false signals from the moving average, I use trend lines on the Renko chart. When Renko bricks close above the moving average and break a descending trend line, it strengthens the buying signal. Conversely, if the bricks close below the moving average and break an ascending trend line, it reinforces the sell or exit signal. For more advanced analysis, you can use multiple moving averages. For example, a common strategy is to use both a short-term and a long-term moving average. When the short-term average crosses above the long-term average, it's called a golden cross, indicating a potential buy signal. When it crosses below, it's called a death cross, indicating a potential sell signal. Here are some practical tips for using moving averages with Renko charts. Choose the right period. The period of the moving average should match your trading style. Shorter periods are more responsive but can give false signals, while longer periods are more reliable but slower to react. Combine with other indicators. Use moving averages in conjunction with other indicators like RSI or MACD for a more robust analysis. Backtest your strategy. Always backtest your strategy on historical data to ensure its effectiveness before applying it to live trading. That's it for today's guide on using moving averages with Renko charts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!